Hello, I'm going to do a review on the Lasko heater. I really like this heater. I can hit power here and it starts, and it begins on maximum high. Now if you want it to turn to maximum low, you hit the power button again, and it turns to maximum low. So if you want it to automatically turn off when it reaches the temperature that you want, you hit the temperature button, and that kicks it over to the degree you want. I have it at 65 and it's on high. I haven't figured out how to go 65 on low. It always goes to maximum low. See, there we go. It turned off. So if I want it to turn on again because it didn't warm up enough, I hit temperature again. It moves it over to 70 degrees. Now if I wanted to oscillate, I hit the button on the left and it begins to move quite nicely. Very comfortable. Sometimes I want it to be on while I go to sleep, but I don't want it to be on forever. So I hit the timer button and it's for an hour, and you can go up to 4 hours, and then it will automatically turn off. But I really like this heater. It's a good value for the good price.